Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Habtamu Allaso. Today I'm going to show you some information about the E3 land cover ArcGIS Living Atlas. So in this video I will show you how you can download and use the land use land cover map for a specific area, and beyond downloading we can do a thematic map for this land use land cover data using QGIS. Actually we can use ArcGIS to do this thematic map, but for the time being we are going to use the QGIS for thematic map preparation. So let's show you step by step. So first we need to write the E3 Living Atlas land cover in Google like this, so we can easily acquire or we can easily provide this website like this. So click here, and this website directly, or this will directly take us to the Sentinel-2 10-meter land use land cover interface. So this website has a detailed, timely, accurate, and a 10-meter annual map of Earth's land surface from the 2017 to 2024. And this website is guided by the AI. So this website will update manually or in every year. And there is a land use land cover change information, or annual land use land cover change information like this. You can see here, this is the land use land cover sample in the interface, and this is the animation from some year to another year, how the land is changed from one year to another year. So this animation shows there is a significant land use land cover change in every place of the world from year to year. So to have the map information, or to have such information, we can download and use some land use land cover information from this website. So to have this information, or to get the map of a specific area with respect to land use land cover information, we click here the launch the land cover explorer application. So when we click this one, it leads to somewhere like this. So we can have plenty of land use land cover types here, and we can minimize the area of the globe. So here is the land use land cover information for the whole world, so that we can identify our area of interest, and we can download that which area is important for us, and we can do further analysis like watershed management, urban planning, or urbanization, or even the impact of land use change on some parameter of watershed. So this website is very important to have such information, so that we can directly download and use for further analysis. But for now, we can see here we have to select which area we want to download. So for my case, I want to download the map of Taiwan. So this is the capital of Taiwan, which is Taipei. So I will show you as an example how the land is changing from 2017 to 2024, or from some specific year to another specific year, which is between 2017 and 2024. So we can simply look here. This is the for example, this is the map of Taipei, or the area of Taipei. So in Taipei, the coverage of water in 2024 here. In 2024 is 2%. The coverage of the tree is around or above 40, or which is about 49%, and crops and the residential area or the built up area and other land use land cover types. So we can easily capture information about the land use land cover types, as well as the land use land coverage, or the percent of the cover, how much percent the water covers in Taipei, how much percent the trees covered in Taipei, or any other land use land cover types. So we can have an information for a specific place, not only Taiwan. We can take one place in the world or from the world, and we can do analysis for that place. So let's see. For example, if we want to have an information about land use land cover change for 2017, we can directly drag this to 2017 and it will automatically be changed. So we can see, even we can see for 2020 the graph, as well as the area, some land use land cover types will be directly changed to its respective land use land cover type for that specific year. So we can even change like this. So yeah, the change, we can see some change on a specific period of time. And for example, if we want to see which area is covered by water, we can simply click here, and yeah, the area covered by water looks like this. If we want to see the area covered by trees, we can click here and we can see which area of the city or which area of our study area is covered by the tree. Even we can see which area of the city or the place is covered by residential or buildings. So we can easily access which area is covered by which type of land use or land cover. This is the simplest way that we can simply identify the area by which the area is covered by which type of land use or which type of land cover. Even we can click here. For example, if you click here, we can see here is the trees. So from 2017 to 2024, this area is covered by trees. And for example, if you see this one, yeah, for example, in 2017, the area I have clicked was trees, and it was changed to built up area in 2018, and in 2019 it was again changed to trees. 2020 it was tree, and after 4 years, in 2022 the area is again changed to built up area. So we can see even at what or by what year the area or the land cover is changed. So even we can see the longitude and latitude information. So we can simply which area was adapted during a specific period of time or during a specific year, so that this website is very relevant for us, how land is changed from one land use type to another land use type. And the other thing that I want to show you is the land use land cover change in percentage. So here we can see the total coverage. For example, this area is covered by such 57% of trees, 11% of water, and so we can simply take the total coverage in percent. But in this section we can see the change. For example, from 2017 to 2024, the trees are increased by 1%, the crops are decreased by 0.1%, and the residential area is decreased by 0.7%. So we can simply check, or we can simply capture the information how land is changed from one land use type to another land use type. Even we can change the years like this. When we change the years, the graph also be changed, and we can even change the starting in the year of the area. So we can take, or we can capture information by which type, which year the land is changed. So we can simply check the land use land cover change in percent. So after having this, we can download the information or the land use land cover map in raster format, and we can use this downloaded raster file with for different purpose, like for land use management, for urbanization, or for any other research analysis, so that we can click here on the download GeoTIFF to download the information. So when we click on this button, we can have the such like interface in a grid format. So we can go to our area of interest. For example, my area of interest is Taiwan, so I'm going to download the Taipei city land use land cover map. So when we click here, the years, the available years, or the information in which year is available here. So we can simply check, and we can simply download. For example, I want to download 2024, the land use land cover map of Taipei, sorry, the land use land cover map, or the land use land cover information of Taipei for 2024. So we can click here to download the information. So the information is now downloading. So after downloading the land use land cover map for this area, or the half part of Taiwan, so we can extract, or we can clip our area of interest, or based on the Taipei city shape file. So now I'm going to load the raster file in the QGIS. So here is a QGIS. So this is what I have downloaded. So I can add in QGIS. So it has so many land use land cover types. So we can classify this land use land cover groups in a certain amount. So we can simply download the land use land cover map of not only Taiwan, actually. There are another information here, another land use land cover information beyond the half part of Taiwan. So we can add our shape file, like the we can easily add the land use land cover not land use land cover, actually the vector data of the Taipei city. So this is the shape file of Taipei. We can simply load the shape file of Taipei here, and after loading the shape file of Taipei, we can clip our area of interest, or the land use land cover map of our area of interest. So we can clip here, clip raster by mask. So we can simply click here. This is what I have downloaded, and we can even write the name as we went here, and the name of the output, so we can say run, and after some seconds, or after a fraction of seconds, we can simply have the land use land cover of Taipei. So this is what I have. So this is the land use land cover of Taipei. So we can simply see this is the shapefile of Taipei and Taipei City, I mean, and this is the land use land cover of Taipei City. So we can have such a good looking land use land cover map, and we can classify, or we can write the names of each land use land cover. So after going to the property of the clipped mask, we are going to arrange the render type to the unique values, and we can say classify. So after the classification, we can have 1 2 3 4 5 6 8, yeah, we can have 8 different land use land cover types, so that this the yellow, I mean the blue color, indicates the water body here, because I can simply identify or distinguish here. Here is the blue color indicates the water body, the red color indicates the built up area, the blue color indicates the crop, and the green indicate the tree. So using this information, I can have or I can simply rewrite 1 2 3 4 these to their own or their respective land use land cover types, so that we can simply rename this area or this part of or this land use land cover type. So the first is water body, where I can write water body, and the second is the blue color, the green color are trees, or the green color represent the trees, and this is the flooded area, and the fifth indicates the crops, okay, and seventh indicates the built up area, and the bare land. This is bare land, the bare area, and this one includes the clouds, and the final one is rangeland. So we can say apply, and it automatically changes the names, or the numbers are automatically changed to the correct name of the land use land cover. So we can say, yeah, this is the land use land cover map of the area. So we can simply prepare a thematic map using this land use land cover map. So to prepare the thematic map, we are going to the new print layout. So we can write land use land cover map of Taipei. We can say this one, so we can say okay. After that, we are going to add map. So yeah, this is the map. Okay, you can simply arrange the map or like this, yeah. Okay, and then we can click here and item property. Here we will go to item property, and after arranging this, we can go to grids, and we have to click this plus sign, and we will say the modify the grid, and here is the interval. So the grid interval, first of all, we need to arrange this to millimeter for the time being. We can use different like degrees or even the map units itself. We can use as we want. So we can say this to 40, and this also 40 for the time being. Yeah, 40. Yeah, this is the grid, and we can arrange the blend mode to, this is my favorite or my choice, and we can directly click here the draw coordinate. Yeah, after this we can have such information, and we can also choose the decimal with suffix to put some suffixes or some decimal points. So I want to have this left and this bottom direction only, so I want to disable these two, the bottom and the right. So when I click here, I want to check only the latitude and y-axis, and it should be vertical. Yeah, it should be vertical, and the right should be disabled. The right side should be disabled. The top also should be disabled, and I have to, yeah, this is my choice, so that I can prepare the thematic map like this. Even I can arrange the font size also. The font size, yeah, I can increase or decrease the font size. And finally, yeah, let me arrange this one. Yeah, okay. And after that, I should click the frame here to have the frame like this. I should click the frame, and I'm going to do some cosmetics, map cosmetics, the element of or the component of the thematic map. The first is the legend, so I have to put the legend like this, but it's so long, so I need to minimize or I need to remove some unnecessary legends, so that I should unclick this one, auto update. So unclick the auto update, and we can click this, and we can click the minus sign. Even we can click here, and again the minus sign, so the legend becomes good. So we can put the legend here. Even we can write the title legend, here. Yeah, this is very good. If we went, we can on the background of the frame of the legend like this. It's possible and makes smart. And again, the next is the north arrow, so we can put the north arrow here. We can put the scale of the, yeah, like this in kilometers. We can write even the title of the map, so we can write here the title, the land use land cover map of Taipei City. Yeah, we can write like this, and even we can correct the font size to 14 to make it more visible. Yeah, this is the land cover map of Taipei. So we can have an information, or we can prepare the thematic map after we downloading the land cover map of some specific place that we want for further analysis. So this looks like good for this video. So this is enough for today. Thank you very much.